Welcome again to CookingaRounds channel. Welcome. Once again, another weight watching recipe. What is it called? Broccoli apple salad. It is absolutely out of this world. You're going to love it. You don't have to suffer to eat light all the time. You can be on a diet, have low calories, and at the same time lose your weight. So let me show you how to put this together.
And here we go. What do we have here? We have broccoli, fresh, delicious broccoli. And on top of that, we have for you apple and some lemon. And we have some dried cranberries, which is going to make it absolutely perfect. With the smoothness of the yogurt and fresh parsley. What could be better? So let's get going. Okay, grab yourself a medium carrot like this, and I want you to peel it and take all the skin off, and then I want you to cut the ends off just like this. Now a little trick that I'm going to show you, I want you to take your peeler and I want you to start shredding it like this. This way it makes the carrot more juicy, a little bit more tender, and you will surprisingly taste even better. So just keep on going, and then I want it to look like this, and I shall be back. Okay, grab your broccoli and cut right about here, as close to the base as possible. Now with this, don't throw it away. You can make some stock with that. And now what I want you to do is take the broccoli, and I want you to start to take it all apart like this. Just pull it out, keep on pulling, and as you can see that some of the stem is still attached to the flower part. So we don't want it to be so bitter. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove some of that. Now it depends on your bite size. Do you want it larger or do you want it smaller? That's up to you. So you have to make a decision. So basically when you are done, this is what I'd like to see. Okay, let's make the sauce. I want you to grab a small deep dish, and I want you to add about 1/3 of a cup of low-fat yogurt. Now you can add more or you can add less, but I think this is just perfect for this size. And to give it that deep flavor, add 1/4 cup of low-fat mayo. Add a little bit more if you would like. About 1/2 teaspoon of sugar, and of course salt and pepper according to your taste. Here you can add more, you can add less, it's up to you. And for that zing, some fresh lemon. This is about 2 tablespoons that I'm adding here. Now mix that very well and get that all incorporated. Now it's important to taste your sauce, so take a little spoon, take a little bit, taste it and see how you like it. As for me, it requires a little bit more salt, but you know something, that depends on you. So now let's start mixing once again, and I shall be back. Okay, we're back. Grab yourself a large bowl. Now here I have about 2 cups of broccoli, and I want you to remember the cut of the flower here. This size is perfect for me, but some will be a little bit big and you're going to have to split it because then you can't put it in your mouth. So it really depends on you, on the size that you would like and you feel comfortable with. Now, grab yourself 1 chopped apple and put that inside. And now here comes our medium carrot. Remember, it was shredded by the peeler, and we put that inside, and look how that's looking. Absolutely awesome. And now here comes our onions. We have about 1 small onion chopped. I use the red variety, but you can use basically what you want. And now here comes the sweet dried cranberries. This gives an awesome sweetness to the salad. This is absolutely awesome. And then when it's intermingled with the yogurt and the sauce, it will be absolutely awesome. So now here's a little trick. Grab yourself some fresh parsley, a little pair of scissors, and just chop right in the cup like this. You see how easy it is? No mess, no fuss. Now just shove that in, and now we grab our sauce, our delicious sauce, and we just pour all that in just like that. Okay, now, so let's mix it very, very well. And as you can see, this is an awesome salad. I know you're going to enjoy it. I know your friends and family are going to enjoy it. So all I want to say now is thank you very much for allowing me to make this presentation to you. I hope you enjoy this, and please keep those comments coming, and don't forget to sub. Thank you from Tony and Cooking Around. Goodbye now, and see you again on my next video. Bye now.